Hi guys, back on another review. So today we're going to go to fancy a bit of doner. So there's a new place that opened a few months ago called Love Doner in Bradford on Ingleby Road. It's near the food court where we've got Mother Hubbard's and all that business opposite there. Go and try that out. Come and check it out. Let's go. So this place we're going to, Love Doner, guy called Zahir owns it. He used to be part of Spuddies, I believe, which used to be called Lister Park Gate Fisheries, which is on Oak Lane in BD&I at the bottom. So he's renowned for his doner. So he's opened his own place. The doner is homemade doner. You know we love homemade doner. Previous video I made was in the one in Batley for 3 chefs. That was really nice clean doner. This is a similar homemade doner, but the taste is a little bit different. So we're going to do a little comparison. I'm going to go order a few mixed doners and just give it a little taste, and then we'll take it from there. So yeah, I'll give you a bit of a background of where Love Doner originates from and how long the guy's been around for. It is one of my favourite places. Well, Spuddies is, and this is like a new branch, a new version probably of it. The concept's still the same, but I think they changed the chips. The chips are not the chip shop fat ones, they're just normal fries now. So let's go, let's check this out. Just put it down here, it's fine. ठीक है, सिर्फ पैक कर शो. So guys, we've got our food. I'll give you a little glimpse outside the shop. So we're inside, and we did ask for permission if you can film. They said yeah, it's fine to film. So we've got our food. So we've got doner meat and chips, and the mixed doner meat and chip sauces, all that separate. I did a quick look. There was quite a few people in there, sat down there, and you could tell they were really uncomfortable. So I tried to avoid as much people as possible. I met a friend there I've not seen in ages. So yeah, we've got the food. We're on his way back now to try this food. It smells beautiful. I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, Love Donna, here it is. We got it packed up. Showed you a bit of a presentation there. There was quite a lot of people in there, so I couldn't. There's a lot of people in there, so I didn't film the whole place because people sat there with their family. So let's have a quick look at this. Let's open up this, what we've got here. Right, so this is mixed Donna and chips. Oh, doesn't look the same as it was. But let's have a closer look at that. If I'm ready to come forward and have a look at that food. Look at that. Let's go back a bit. I'll go back a bit now. Okay, so let's have a taste test. Alright, let's try this Donna first with the sauce on it. A bit of Donna, a bit of chips, a bit of sauce. Oh, it's got peppers in it. Peppers, onions, mayonnaise, and staple Donna sauce. Let's have a go at it. Just a bit of me there. Wow. Love Donna. Now we know why we call it Love Donna. But it's lovely jubbly. That is really nice Donna. Oi, oi, oi. Oof. So good. Fresh salad. So the normal chips, they're not fat chips, they're normal fries chips. Chips are good. Nice, tasty chips. They're not crunchy, they're a bit soggy, but that's because I bought it at home, so in the time I got it home, they didn't turn soggy, but they taste beautiful. I love them. Let's try the chicken on it. Let's see if you can see the chicken. Come closer, let's have a look at the chicken. Look at that, very nicely cooked. You can see that, there's a bit of spices there. Just cut part of it. Let's try that. Really tasty chicken. That's very nice. That is good, really good chicken Donna. It's not your Turkish style, it's more Asian sort of Pakistani style. It's got the spices and stuff in it. That's really tasty. This is very, very good Donna, guys. It's a little bit, it's different to the one that I had in Batley from Three Chefs. The colour's a bit different. So is the flavour. That is lovely. Try a bit more of this. You see that, guys? The big, massive beat. If you see that, big dump of mayonnaise there. Love it. Love the way they just lobbed it in. It didn't look like that when I got it, so it's probably in transition. It turned over. It looked like that. That is actually lovely Donna. The salad is fresh. The Donna meat is very tasty. The chicken Donna is lovely, brilliant. I love it. Excellent. Right. Well, let's close this up. Let's try what else we got. So we've got one mixed Donna. Just gonna put this quick to the side. Have that later. Let's have a look in here. But this is the plain Donna. I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, look at that. No, this is the one with chips with salad on it. Look at that. Oh, there's no mayonnaise on this one. If you come closer, look at that. Wow. Look at that. Let's get a better look at that. That's better. If you can see that clearly now. That is beautiful. Closer look. Look at that done. Lovely. Very clean. Let's have a taste of it. With the sauce on. Is that the mayonnaise? Let's see what it tastes like. Lovely Donna. Really nice. You can tell the difference between homemade Donna and the other one, the standard Donna you get in the local shops. That's really cheap. That to me, guys, I think that's the best homemade Donna meat in Bradford. Definitely. So good. Lovely. Let's put in the taste. That's it. Oh, that was the pepper. I think this is the first Donna meat place, or Donna place, that does peppers in the salad. Definitely different, tastes different. It gives it a different flavour. I like what like what I've done with here. Done a really good job of it. Well done, guys. Really like it. Lovely. Right. Tell me what you think, guys. If you've been there, what would you go for that's different? Go in the comments, put a comment in there for me. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in the next one. Sign out.